Hey, it's Alex Stevenson here from Ninja Teacher, and it's a nice sunny day here in Da Nang City, and we're about to go on an adventure to find a waterfall. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, so we just met up here and we're going to be driving our motorbikes to the waterfall. It's about 45 minutes. So that's our crew over there. Let's go. You got some tunes?
Nice.
Hey. Xin chào. Getting one for the road?
Yeah.
Sorry guys, we need to go this way.
On the other side they have boars, like really massive boars.
Yeah?
Tussle,
Oh.
They're caged in and I fed them before.
Thank you
Follow
for
the
letting
page.
us through.
It's alright.
Capturing the misery.
Shoes.
Didn't we take the bridge?
Nice clean shoes,
I
right?
know, I'm so sad.
So we just had to walk through some mud, even though we could have probably actually got over the river, which was the detour that we made, but all good. Yeah, that's brave of you. There could be a rock at any point, man. What I did was put one foot somewhere around there and then hold onto the trunk of that tree and then grab onto that tree over there. We made it! Alright, we're gonna go jump off there.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch them jump, and depending on how it goes, determine if I go or not.
Okay, we made it to the waterfall. It's really beautiful. We're actually starting a little fire there. Isaiah bought some oysters to roast on the fire. That's pretty awesome. He came prepared. And the water is so refreshing. And the hike up was actually pretty dangerous. There were a lot of slippery bits. And the whole path has been changed because of the storms. So the whole route is different and we had to go a different way. And there were some really slippery bits that were a bit dangerous, but made it up here. Are we gonna try the big one?
Big jump, yeah. I think about 15 to 20 meters.
All right. Oh yeah! Got some snacks. So what have we got, Chef?
This is chip chip. It's what it's locally known as. It's just soft shell clam.
Yeah.
And difficult to get the fire going. Most of the stuff here is pretty wet. But once we got the fire going, it's rolling good. We got about 2 kilograms of chip chip.
Oh yeah, you got a whole thing in there.
Holding the water and getting cleaned at the same time. So green onions, chilies, peanuts, limes.
Everyone's just chilling on the rocks a bit here. Sarah being nice and present to the moment there.
Trying to delete videos so I can take more videos.
Oh, I see, okay. That's fine. How's everyone doing?
Good.
Great.
Nice. Good spots?
Yes. Your new friend.
Like chip chip.
Alright, trying one of Zaya's, not oysters, right? Clams.
Clam, soft shell clam.
Alright.
How is it? Everything at home?
It's actually really tasty.
They cook in their own juices.
And as you can see up there, it's not for the faint of heart. There's some pretty intense climbing, so be careful if you come. Doing out here, huh? Huh? Jogo? Hello. Hello. Ciao. Em khỏe không?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Uh-oh. Bye. Bye. Okay, finished our waterfall. Okay, we finished our waterfall adventure and we got some beers here at Seven Bridges with Fiona and PJ. How was the adventure?
Was really great. Wow.
Yep.
It was very extreme, but we had a lot of fun.
Nice.
Finale beer.
Celebratory, calming our nerves drink.
Alright, cheers guys.
Cheers.
Yay. Subscribe.
Nice. So back home now, and that was a really fun day. It was nice to catch up with Fiona, who is actually one of our Ninja Teacher Academy TEFL course graduates. She did her in-person TEFL course with us back in 2019, and she's been teaching English here since then, living in Ho Chi Minh City, and she's just up here for a vacation. If you didn't know, a TEFL certification or another teaching English qualification is a requirement from the Vietnamese government to get a teaching English job in Vietnam and teach here legally. So if you are looking to teach English in Vietnam, that's a great way to get started. And this year we actually launched our online TEFL course, and we've had, I think, 180 or so people enroll in our online TEFL course. And this is a great way to get TEFL certified right now, seeing the borders aren't open just yet. So you can work on your TEFL course while you're at home in your free time, and it can usually take about 1 to 2 months, maybe 3 months if you're working on it part-time. It is a 120-hour TEFL course. And our online TEFL course includes over 10 hours of video recorded classroom TEFL training, and you get personalized attention and feedback from our trainers. And that feedback is really important to get so that you know you're on the right track with your lesson plans and your assignments, and even get feedback on your actual teaching. So that's another thing we include is weekly live sessions. So you can actually get practical training and feedback on your teaching in these live sessions, which a lot of TEFL courses don't include. And that's really nice because you will be able to actually practice and feel more confident in the classroom when you go into a job, because you've had a chance to practice and get feedback from our trainers. Anyway, I thought I'd just mention that. If you're planning to teach English in 2021, that's a great thing to get started on in the new year if you're looking at your plans and thinking about what you want to do next year. So check that out if you're interested. Otherwise, stay tuned for videos next year. This is going to be my last one of the year, so I hope you have a good New Year's Eve, stay safe, and hoping 2021 is a better year for everyone. And I'll be putting out videos next year. I think I'm going to stick to the schedule of 2 a week, probably Wednesdays and Sundays. So stay tuned for more videos about life in Vietnam and teaching English abroad in Vietnam. And I will speak to you then. Peace.